Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to design your custom kitchen online. The great thing about our software, we've got a large catalogue of about 150 different cabinets. You can also change the height, the depth and the width of each of these cabinets within the software, and it'll give you a 3D render of the kitchen as well. When you come into the screen, you're going to end up with a box in the middle, which is going to be your room. We have two main menus, one on the left-hand side and one on the right-hand side. One on the right-hand side we mainly use towards the end of the job, except for the wireframe. So instead of having it all as a render, we do it as a wireframe. On the left-hand side, we start off, it's got the room, catalog, materials. If you've got an existing project, you can also upload it or start a new project. For this one here, I'm going to start with the room size. At the moment it's 4,000, we'll make it 45 for this one. The height, we're going to make it 2,400 and we'll leave it at 35 for the width of it. With the design today, we're going to do an L-shaped kitchen. So we'll start off with a corner, put a 600 oven in here and have the fridge on the end. And along this run, we're going to have the sink, the pantry, and then we're going to do an island in the middle here. So from there, we go to our catalog. When you hit onto the catalog screen, it's got a main menu, and then it's also got a sub menu once you click into it. These are all pretty self-explanatory. Door cabinets, drawers, doors with inner drawers. So if you've got a single door that opens up and you've got some inner drawers inside, these are the cabinets to look for. Sink cabinets, corner cabinets, oven cabinets, microwave, open shelves, wine racks, and the Bloom corner drawers. In the top menu, door cabinets, range hood cabinets. There's also your standard slide out. This is for an under cabinet range hood, and it's just a single door range hood one there as well. Lift up, these use the Bloom Ventos system. These are the double lift up doors or the single lift up doors. Corner cabinets, you've got a 3-door corner, a single corner, angled corner, blind corners. Open wall cabinets, so single, double shelves, corner cabinets, 2 or 3 shelves, and these are rounded corner cabinets as well. And then you get your wine racks. Pantries we'll start off with is a single door, double door. Then you've got a split, so you've got the 4 doors there, and then you've got a few combinations with the doors and drawers underneath it. And then the last set down the bottom here is your double doors, and these also have the inner drawers inside them as well. Below that we've got our pantries with our appliances. So this is the ones with the ovens and the microwaves inside them. They're all different combinations, drawer combinations. You've got door combinations, and then you've just got your single microwave in the middle there. And you get your microwave with your drawers and doors down the bottom there. You've got open pantry. These are your corner cabinets, sorry. So you've got your corner cabinets. And then you've got your dress panels and fillers. They're also put into a sub-menu. So you've got your base cabinets, top cabinets, pantry cabinets, and then any extra kicks if you want to add some kicks in there. Let's start off with the corner cabinet. Bring this one into the corner here. First thing, actually, what we should do is set up the job. So we go to the first tab and we go to materials. For this job here, we're going to do a poly finish on the doors, and we'll make it a natural white color. Benchtop, we're going to leave it at 30 millimeters. You can change the height here and also change the different materials here. And we're going to change the kick to 150. So the benchtop overhang, we're going to do it with a 20mm overhang. The runners, you've got options of the Bloom Ventos Metabox and the corner drawers. We'll just do the Metabox for this one. Assembling, we'll have them as flat pack, and we'll choose the Armadale depot for delivery. Interior colors, you don't need to worry about. These are the walls and the flooring as well. If you want to change them to ceramic tiles or flooring, there's your options there as well. Okay, so let's get into it. Corner cabinet here. Next door to it, we're going to put the oven. So it's a drag and drop system, really easy to do. As you go along, it's going to bring out the cabinets with the renders. I prefer doing it in the wire view. This just gives you a little bit more detail as you go along. Put a 3-door. We'll change if it's the left or the right. So at the moment it's the right, we'll make it left. Okay. Let's set a pantry dress panel to here. Now we'll grab a fridge cabinet. Two-door fridge cabinet. Put that up there. Okay, so this is where you can change any of the sizes. At the moment the depth is 400. Well, let's make the height 400 as well. 1820 from the floor. We'll bring it out 150. We're going to make the width 900. When the cabinets show as a red, it means they're overlapping each other. It's just a matter of bringing it over until the red goes away, and that's all in line. Okay, so let's grab another pantry panel to finish this side off. Pantry dress, drag it over. Make that 660. Okay. This is the spot where we'll put the dishwasher. What I normally do for the dishwasher is just grab a plain panel. This is only for the spacing, so I'll put 610 as the width here. Grab another panel, bring it over, change the height less 150, delete that, and then that's our dishwasher opening. Let's put a pantry end panel up against this wall here. You could make this a scribe or a filler as well. So I like to leave an extra 5mm so you got a bit of play. Zoom it out a little bit. Let's grab a 4-door pantry, bring it in. Okay, so it's 900. Let's make it 900. And push and drag it across. Let's add another pantry filler on the other side here. Pantry dress panel, sorry. So grab the sink cabinet. So you got sink drawers as well as doors. Put a single bowl sink, single in there. Oh, let's get the extra one. So just hit the delete button. That'll remove it. We'll make that 600 wide. Okay, next door to that, put another 2-door cabinet. About 845. So again, when it goes red, you just pick it up and move it across. And then we'll add the drawers in. I'll add 2 pot drawers here. There's also buttons to drag these across as well if you prefer dragging it instead of using the measurements, but we'll change the measurements to 761 that we've got in there. Bring it up there. So you got all your sizes running along the top here as well to make it easier for you to see. If you want to have a look and see how it looks as a render, that's how it looks in that color. Go back here. We'll just put some top cabinets along this wall here. Top cabinets, bring that one in. It looks like it needs to come up, say 20 mil plus 20 mil. 1820. We'll make that 300 wide to match the bottom one. Oh, it's 400 wide. Let's stick with the 400. Rehinge it. If you want to do a handleless view on top, this is where you could collect your overhang. This is for your actually you can't do the overhang here, sorry, it's for the bench top. But you can also add shelving in here. If you want to put 2 or 3 shelves. Click it back to 1 shelf for this one. And let's select a range hood cabinet. Just slide out one. Okay, so we've got 900 here. So you never go hard up into the corner. You always add a filler on the end here, or a dress panel. Get a plain dress panel. Bring that in. Set it 5 mil off the wall. And the 2-door carpet cabinet will be 875 wide. $75. Bring it over. 1500. Zoom in. Match the top ones, 15, 20. Okay. It's done. You're going to see how you're going with the price. Click on the refresh button, tell you current price for the kitchen. Now let's work on the island area. So in the island, we're going to make it quite simple. We're going to have 3 drawer, well, let's have a drawer unit, a microwave unit, and a double door unit. So we'll start off with a double door unit. Just place it where you need it in the screen. Click on the cabinet. This time we need to rotate it around so it's facing the right way. We'll make it 800. Yep. And we'll grab a base cabinet with a microwave. Matter of placing it where you want it. Click on the cabinet. Rotate it around. And then we're going to put a 1 small 2-pot drawer. Click on it and rotate it around to the right direction. Okay, finishing it off, we're going to put some end panels to the island ends. They're always oversized to the kick height, so just reduce that down. It's always best when you're trying to fit these end panels in to put the elevation. That's it. Minus 150. Grab a large bar back. So work it out, we've got 6, 6 and 8, 2 meters, and the end panels at 20 mil each. So we'll make it 2040. Put that into place. Perfect. So we can update our price. Okay, so that's pretty much the full kitchen. You're going to see it rendered up. If you want to change the door style, say you want to go for handleless option, come back into your door option, you can select shadow line, change the look of it again to have the shadow line grooves on it, and then you click on the price. It'll update the price for you. Choose a different color if you like. If you're going to end up with 2 colors, say something for the island, something for the back, the job can also do that by clicking this button on, and then this will be your second range of colors down here. You can do that, or you can change them at an individual cabinet level as well. Color, click it here, it can be changed to 1, 2 doors to different colors. Leave that as it is. So this will give you, if you click that on, you'll be able to open the doors and drawers. And this is where you could just have a look at it as a pure face. If you have it in a wireframe, gives you all the dimensions. The other wall, again, left wall, things from the island. Solid frame. Click it back onto FreeCam. If you want to see it without the bench tops, this button here clicks the bench tops on and off. So hide all your cabinets and just give you your bench tops. Matter of saving it, you'll need to sign into your account or sign up to an account if you haven't got one already. You'll be able to save it. And then if you want to print it, this will generate the print report. Takes a little while to come back to the server and generate all the reports. What you end up is with a 3D of it, the elevations, a breakdown on all the cabinets, and the materials involved in the job. If you want to share this also after this, you could also just click on this link and you can share it to Facebook or Twitter. I'll just show you what the report looks like. Starts off with a quick description, plinths down the bottom, they're armoured. The top and bottom door material is the silk. We got the shadow line. And if we had the second color, we would have had it in natural white. There's no glass in it. You get the little perspective on there. You also get this perspective, which has all the different cabinet numbers and parts, which you'll need down the bottom to relate it back to. Top elevation, quick rundown on the materials that are inside the job, and then the individual parts with all their sizes and extra details. Okay. That wraps it up. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to email us and or give us a call. Thank you.